Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to duplicate items in Tears of Kingdom Zelda. Firstly, equip a bow in your inventory. Now, select an item you want to duplicate, for example diamonds. Draw your bow using R2, then press up on the D-pad to select the item you want to attach. Now press the plus to open your inventory and navigate to the bows and arrows section. Ensure the item is visible on Link's arrow in the preview window. Drop the bow you have equipped. It should be highlighted in blue. Now, equip a different bow from your inventory and press the plus button twice very quickly to leave, then re-enter the inventory menu before the dropped bow hits the ground. This step might be easier with a Pro controller than with a Joy-Con. You can or you should see the material on the newly equipped bow in the preview. Now, drop the currently equipped bow. If successful, you should see both bows stacked on the top of each other on the ground. Pick up both dropped bows and the item you attached in the arrow will be duplicated. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.